Hello! In today's video, I want to show you how I pollinate my vanilla bean flowers, the ones behind me. And this will be the first part video where I show you the flowers, how I pollinate them, and also how they look like when they are successfully pollinated. And in the second video, I'm planning to make when the vanilla beans are ready to harvest, and I will show you how I process them. But it's still time to go until we are so far. So now let's start with the pollination first. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's free. If you would like to see the second part, when I process the vanilla beans. Okay, so this is my beautiful vanilla bean plant. I grow it inside all year round. We are in subtropics, so the chance is good but not very good for the plant to survive outside because of our winter time, the cold, chilly winter nights. So yeah, this one is growing inside and I have this plant for about 5 to 6 years now. The vanilla bean vine flowers here at my place each spring, and actually you can see here these beads there, these are the remainings from the last year flowers. And this is actually the third year where the vanilla bean is flowering, and I have currently, and that's about it, I have 4 bunches of vanilla of the flowers coming. So you can see there are many flowers coming, and they basically open every day. Is a new flower coming. Here is the second bunch. There is no flower open today. Sometimes it's every second day when they open. The third bunch, and here is the fourth one. So we have 2 flowers open today. This is one here, and the second one is there. Beautiful. And while we are on it here, before I start the pollination, I will show you the signs when the pollination has been successful. When the petals are turning brown and the flower doesn't fall off, there is a very good chance that the pollination was successful. And these are my future vanilla beans. And there as well. I'm actually fighting some ants at the moment, if you can see them. But anyway, so yeah, you can see the flowers stayed on. Oh, there is a third open flower, which we will be pollinating today. But here, one of the flowers has not been pollinated because it's fall off. So this one fall off means I didn't pollinate successfully. So when the flower falls down, it's over. Then you will only see, like this one here, just the stalk basically of the flower. So that's over. So now let's get into pollination. Oh, and very important, pollinate before midday, because the flower will close around midday, and that's over as well. You cannot pollinate it basically anymore because it's closed, and you can see the flower, it's already about to closing. We have around we have 11 a.m. so the flower is going to sleep and it won't open again. So basically what I do, I hold the petals up, I get the toothpick and move this part here down so I can get into this part here. Now with my toothpick I go under here, and this part, this little part, has to go up under there, and then I hold it with my fingers and gently push. So, and it stays like this. And here the second flower, just in case the other one didn't show the process properly. You can already see the flowers closing, so it was the last call. Okay. And we grab this here, pushing down this here, and moving up and holding it in place. And that's it. Okay, that's all for now. I pollinated all my 3 flowers, so hopefully they will take off. And I also hope I could help you with your vanilla bean to produce many beautiful delicious vanilla beans. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and also leave a comment below, and I hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.